Does it seem like you spend more time fussing with managing your clinic than taking care of your patients?
Mm-hmm.
The major problem is that current management programs rely on old technologies that are clunky and rigid. And while some services are good at one thing and some at another, it's almost impossible to get them to work together. You need a single, complete system that works seamlessly with your workflow, like Charm EHR. Charm EHR provides affordable, reliable practice management solutions based in cutting-edge cloud capabilities. Cloud-based storage means that you can access your information anywhere, from your desktop to your mobile device, without having to implement some complex program or network into your practice. And with this capability, Charm EHR allows for easy access to health records, practice management, revenue cycle, and patient engagement, all in one simple, affordable, and reliable service. Imagine, health records are easily retrievable wherever they're needed. Every administrative need for the practice is readily available. Billing to insurance is handled automatically. And patients are even provided a portal through which they can easily communicate with your practice. It's all possible with Charm EHR. Whether your practice is large or small, our services are built upon a solid and dependable infrastructure that is also easily customizable and adaptable to your needs. And with Charm EHR, you'll never have to deal with ads or startup fees. So what are you waiting for? Call or visit our website to start your free trial and discover what a breeze running your practice can really be with Charm EHR.
My name is Michelle, and my business is Bobo MDC, which is medical data consulting. I work with a lot of small and independent holistic and integrative medicine practices, and I really like Charm for those practices. I got started with Charm about a year ago, and I've just been very impressed with it. I like to say that Charm just really meets the sweet spot of usability, affordability, and customizability. And it's definitely the best in all three of those. I really love the interface, how nice and clean it is, and at the same time, it's very customizable. So if you're used to taking a certain kind of chart notes or you have templates that you want to use, it's very easy to set that up for yourself. I'm really excited about the revenue cycle management. I liked looking at that, and I think the tag cloud and the timeline are very neat as well. And I see a lot of providers that are requesting that they want to use just an iPad in their exam room. So I'm excited about the iPad charting option as well. I recommend Charm to other users all the time, and it's really my favorite system for that.
My name is Venkatesh. I'm the founder of TIERA Consulting, technology affiliate of Charm EHR, and we are helping the Charm EHR customers with integration of Charm EHR data with QuickBooks, which is a very important feature that we have introduced in this conference. The practice folks just don't have to worry about the financial accounting aspect at all. They just focus on Charm EHR and manage the practice, and the bookkeeper automatically gets everything in their system. So it makes overall very easy.
My name is Thelvis Austin, and the name of our organization is Sector Wide Health. We help doctors transition from analog to digital. We see a lot of doctors are still analog and not utilizing EHR systems that are current with HL7 protocol, which is critical for moving forward in the future. A lot of the providers we work with have mostly been in practice for at least 20 to 30 years. So they've had their system, and it's just a practice management system. It's not even a charting system, but that system they have is over 10 years old. They're looking for the ease of being able to operate in this today's complex health environment. That is super important that they're organized and they start having some type of digital trail that they can refer back to. And Charm clearly delivers that. But with Charm, you've made it so accessible to a doctor to say, hey, can you do this for us? And you incorporate it. You achieve what the consumer asks for. There's no other system out there that delivers that type of service. With being certified, your protocol is written in HL7. The majority of providers currently practicing in the United States don't even have a clue to what HL7 protocol is. So Charm is at the forefront. And with the government giving an incentive for providers to transition to a HL7 platform, you've made it very easy.
My name is Charles Cooper. I'm with Holistic Medical Center in Bellevue, Washington. We currently have 4 physicians and about 3 other kinds of therapists, and we're anticipating bringing on an additional physician next year. We've been using Charm since about February, March of 2014. The thing that we like a lot about Charm is that it integrates practice management and charting. And the doctors are finding the charting capabilities, the integrated ICD lookups, the diagnosis, the prescription warnings, and so forth, were all very well appreciated. I would recommend Charm to any other practitioner